If you're getting tens or hundreds of emails every single day, and you're using that iPhone mail app just as a laundry list of every single email that hits your inbox, unfortunately, you're doing it wrong. You're not necessarily making full use of how to check your emails and prioritize which emails are the most important that will get to your eyeballs the first, so that you can make sure you're dealing with the most important things first, and then you'll leave all of the rest for later. I'm going to walk you through everything that there is to know about how to filter and sort and categorize and make the best of that iPhone mail app. So let's open up the iPhone mail app, and you'll be able to see I just have a couple of test emails, and it's in my inbox. So this is usually where people start. They're in their inbox, they'll tap on an email, they'll read it, they'll tap the back arrow, and then just go through this list. However, there are easy ways to be able to sort and filter this to show you the most important things first. The first thing that I want to show you is you can tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap on categories to the left. You might see an inbox that looks like this. You can see primary, and I can go to transactions, updates, promotions, and then all emails. This is just the default built-in way to categorize all the emails, and your iPhone will do its best guess of saying, all right, I think these are the primary ones that you want to read. Maybe these are promotions or transactions that you care about a bit less. However, in my case, I usually tap on those three dots and switch it to list view. However, I'll make use of the powerful filters icon at the bottom left. If I tap on it once, and for most people, it filters just unread. It will show you only your unread emails. However, you can filter for different things as well. Tap on where it says filtered by unread, and we can choose filtered by flagged or to me, CC me, only emails with attachments, only from your VIP. I'll show you how to set that up. Or only mail sent today. A good option is you can choose only mail sent today here. And on here, let's uncheck unread. So now when I tap on that, it will only show me the emails that I've received today, so that I don't have to bother or be distracted by all of the old ones that I've received previously. Now, after we've done that, another cool feature is to tap on the back arrow at the top left, and then tap on edit at the top right. You should probably set up VIPs if you have certain people that you regularly hear from that are most important to you. This is a work colleague or a spouse or a boss, something like that. So tap on VIP here, and you can use your finger to swipe it up or down depending on your preference, and then tap on done. Now, when I tap on VIP, it says add a VIP to my list. Essentially, this is adding a contact to your list where it will show you all of the emails from that contact and no one else. So tap on VIP. And again, you can go through this list and select multiple people or just one person. And as you go through that, it will add them and just populate only their emails to you so that you can get a subset of the most important emails. Another cool option is if you go back out of here, you can tap on edit at the top right, and then also choose to have flagged section or emails with attachments or emails from today or muted threads or follow up. Essentially, you can navigate to and just get to all of those emails that you might have flagged or that might have attachments, etc. I'll show you how to do that. If you're not necessarily sure how to go in and flag these or to remind yourself, you can, on any email, swipe to the left and tap on more right next to it. And now I can choose flag if I wanted to flag this email as red or orange or whatever color. And then I can always categorize it by the flag and then just go back and reread it or check on it. You can also swipe to the left and tap on more. And then instead of that, you can choose notify me. And essentially what this will do is it will notify you down the road to say, hey, check on that email. You weren't able to get to it right now, but you might want to go back and read it again and respond to it. So this allows you to prioritize the most important things first and not get bogged down by all of that spam email and promotional emails, and you can focus on the most important emails from the most important people first. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.